Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to sell your XRP on Bitget. All right, so first up, the easiest method, go ahead and hover over buy crypto and just click on buy and sell. Okay, buy and sell right here only accepts Visa. Okay, click on sell. Now go to find XRP in the list. Click on it. Now go ahead and enter the amount of XRP that you would like to sell. For example, 23. Now go ahead and select the receiving currency. For example, you have USD. Okay, so this amount of XRP will be sold to this amount of USD. Okay, you won't be able to see it right here because I don't have an XRP balance. So just go ahead and click on receive with what? The only available option again is Visa. Okay, so just click on confirm. Add in your Visa details. Once that's done, follow the simple prompts and you're good to go. Now, the other option is by going to trade and spot. Maybe you wanted to sell your XRP to USDT, all right? Or you can just type it down right here, XRP. As you can see here, XRP to USDT is available. Now in here, go ahead over to spot, then market, sell, and then enter the amount of XRP that you wanted to convert to USDT. Let's say, for example, 10 XRP. And then once that's done, just go ahead and click on sell right here. And you will receive the best available price for your XRP to USDT. Okay, once you click on sell, you'll be able to see that your USDT assets right here will update. All right. And that's basically it. That is how you sell XRP on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.